Here we have a physical termite barrier installed on top of a monolithic slab prior to the timber framing and brickwork. We don't care if this system is black, white, blue, pink or green or orange. The system must remain continuous. They all work very similar. Please ensure you do not break, cut it, pierce it or put electrical or plumbing pipes in through the system. If this happens, you must notify your pest management technician or the builder on site to ensure it's repaired before termites gain entry, because as the brickwork is installed, you will not see the barrier. The barrier should come outside to the brickwork, as this is the inspection zone, as you can see in the image. If you don't do all these steps, termite damage will appear without fail. Termites will damage the home, causing thousands of dollars of damage. These homes need to sit there for 50 years or plus. Please ensure you communicate well with your builder and your pest management technician. On our next video, we will discuss the inspection zone being covered by render, where a strike line V-joint in the render needs to be installed.